Hey folks, we're back again. This is Mark with Inbound Revenue. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about conversion tracking, how to make sure that you have it set properly inside of your Google Ads account. So conversion tracking, first of all, you want to make sure you have conversion tracking set up. Second of all, you want to make sure you're tracking both your calls from ads. So that's the call extension, which we have set up and what converts to track, and also your leads. What converts lead covers both form fills and calls. And basically the changes that you want to make here are pretty much the same. You want to go in here and edit them. First of all, you want them to be primary. If indeed there's something you're going to optimize on or use a bidding strategy on, you can set them to secondary if you don't want to be tracking. If you want to track them, but you don't want them to impact your bid strategies. So the main thing that we want to set here is we want to make sure that these are set to one conversion, not every, so that you're only tracking the initial phone call, not follow-up calls. We always change the tracking window to 90 days so you're capturing as much data as possible. And then you really have two options anymore for your attributions inside of Google Ads. We still use last click. We prefer it. Data driven is a model that basically attributes conversions as Google sees fit across a series of metrics. So it's a model as opposed to last click, which is literally just saying if this ad was the last thing that was clicked, that's what's going to get the conversion. So we set ours to last click. There's advantages and disadvantages to both. This is our preference. I believe it's still industry standard preference in Google Ads. So we'll mark these as, whoops, I forget, you always have to hit a save on each section of these. So you'll notice that like your account has a save. This has a save. So you got to save them all and then close it out. Boom, done. So I want to go back into conversions and do the exact same thing with the other one. With the call extension, make sure it's set to 90 days. Make sure it's set to one conversion. It is, and then change the attribution to last click. So one of the things that these conversions are automatically converted by what converts when we integrate Google Ads. And even though when we set up what converts, we say use last click, when Google builds that conversion inside of Google Ads, it still marks it as data driven. So you've got to come in here and make a manual.